everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be learning how to log out from your TikTok account. Before starting today's tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now, to log out from your TikTok account, on the homepage of TikTok, on the bottom right corner, you can see a small icon with your profile. Tap on the icon. On the top right corner, you can see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on the line and you can see 2 options for creator tools and settings and privacy. To log out from your TikTok account, tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on logout option. Now confirm if you want to log out from your TikTok account or you want to simply switch account. Tap on logout if you want to log out and select if you want to save your login info for later or not. Tap on one of the options. Again, confirm if you want to log out. Tap on log out. You are being logged out from your TikTok. You have now successfully been logged out from your TikTok. I hope this video helped you learn how to log out from your TikTok account. Do like and leave a comment in the comment box.